Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
Hey everyone! In this video, I will explain how to connect Shopify with Google Tag Manager, a powerful tool that centralizes all your tracking codes. This integration simplifies managing various tags for analytics, advertising, and other services, enhancing data accuracy. By streamlining your marketing efforts, you can effectively track crucial events like product views, add-to-cart actions, and purchases, gaining valuable insights into customer behavior. Let's dive into the steps to get this set up efficiently. First, you need to create your Google Tag Manager account. Head over to the Google Tag Manager website and sign in or create a new account. You'll be prompted to provide an account name and select your country. Next, set up a new container. It's best to name this after your Shopify store or website for clarity. Crucially, select Web as the target platform for this container, as we are integrating with an online store. Accept the terms, and your container will be ready. Now, let's integrate Google Tag Manager with your Shopify store. From your Google Tag Manager account, locate the two unique code snippets. In your Shopify admin, go to Online Store, then Themes, and click Actions to edit code for your current theme. Find the theme. Liquid File. Paste the first snippet directly after the opening head tag and the second snippet right after the opening body tag. For comprehensive tracking, including checkout pages, also paste both snippets into the Additional Scripts section found under Settings, and then Checkout. Finally, it's time to verify your installation. In your Google Tag Manager workspace, click the Preview button. This will open Google Tag Assistant in a new window. Enter your Shopify store's URL into Tag Assistant and click Connect. Now, browse through your Shopify store in a separate tab. Observe Tag Assistant to see if your Google Tag Manager container is connected and if tags are firing as expected. A successful connection means your setup is complete and you are ready to manage your tags efficiently.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.